Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make money on YouTube even if you're a broke beginner teenager. So how to make money on YouTube as a broke teenager or beginner. So if you're interested in any other thing on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money online, how to grow your YouTube channel and all that good stuff, make sure that you absolutely destroy that subscribe button. Also destroy the notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single week. With that being said, I won't bore you too much with my intro and let's get right into the video. So what we're going to do is go from what I think is the worst to the best. Now keep in mind that even the worst is really good. And the very first one that I'm going to talk about is the most obvious. You probably know about this, and that is YouTube ad. So if you don't know, YouTube ads is just a way where people get ads on their YouTube videos and they get monetized for that. They get paid because they have, ads on their YouTube channel. So I think this is really good because, that helps grow your YouTube channel. But the reason I put it first is, one, it's very obvious, a lot of people know about it. But second, you need 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months and you need to have 1,000 subscribers. So make sure that you watch all my videos and stuff like that, subscribe and all that good stuff so that I can get there with your great help. So if you like any of these, make sure you do that. So that's the first one. I don't want to go along too much with that because a lot of people know about this. The second one, a lot of people still know about this, and I'll get into some stuff that a lot of people don't know about later on in this video, so make sure that you stay tuned until the end. But the second one is merch. Merch is a really great way, I've never done this before, but I know a ton of people that have. You make a t-shirt with your brand and what your YouTube channel is about. And if it's creative enough, if people can relate to you quite a bit, if you have a YouTube channel that talks about some things that people are really passionate about, so if you're talking about pets, for example, that is a great way because you can make pet t-shirts, and if you have an audience, then it's great. And by the way, you don't have to have a full big audience when you want to make money on YouTube, because when I've made my first money on this channel, I had, wait for it, 12 subscribers. That's when I got my first sale, and I'm going to talk about this later on in this video and tell you exactly what that was. But my very first sale, the very first money that I made on this channel was when I had 12 subscribers. So don't worry if you have a very small channel, you can still make that. And believe me, you'll remember that for a long time when you made your first sale of anything. The next one, a lot of people don't know about this, and that is apps. Apps on Google, on the App Store of Apple and all that good stuff. Apps are really a great way. Apps, not many people know that you can make money off that. You can put ads even if you have like no downloads, and if you have a YouTube channel you could potentially get a lot of downloads depending on how engaged your audience is and obviously how big your audience is. But even if it's not that big, you can still do that. So if you have, for example, a workout channel, then you can have an app where you explain, you have your workouts that are in there, keeping how you eat and stuff like that. You can make an app that actually, you put ads on it. But the other way that you can monetize it is get some paid upgrades. So for example, if you can work out for the first week or two, but then you have to pay to get the long version for however long it will take you. If you want to work out every day of the year, then you can do that. So that's just one example for working out, but there's so many ways you can do that, and the big people do have apps. Now, if you don't know how to code, it will cost you a little bit of money to do that, but it can be so worth it. By the way, if you have any more ideas on how to make money on YouTube, and I've got some more to come, and I'm going to actually tell you the one that I made when I had my first 12 subscribers. So if you have any more ideas on how to make money on YouTube, comment below. I'd be really interested to know how you want to monetize your channel and how you can do that, how you're expecting to do that, or even if you already have that. And also let me know if you already have a YouTube channel, because I really want to know that as well. So that was a quick thing. Comment below. But next, the next one is courses. And a lot of people don't like people that make courses, but courses are, so important. I've bought several courses before in the past. I'm still continuing to do that, and if you want to grow on YouTube, I think that you should absolutely buy courses. Courses are, so important. So make sure that, you don't hate on people that are making courses. They can truly help you. So if you're good at something, and if you have a YouTube channel, you're probably good at something that I don't know what it is, but there's a potential that you know how to edit, you know how to speak in front of a camera, you know how to, act, or whatever it may be, you know how to garden maybe. If that's the case, you can make a course and explain how you do that, explain how you're knitting or things like that. Those can be really great courses, and you don't have to sell them for $1,000, but some courses do sell for $1,000. So courses are really great if you have an engaged audience, which is the goal that everyone wants to have. So courses, you can do that and make some money. Now the next one is the one that I had when I had 12 subscribers and I made my first sale, and I actually made 2 sales in the first 2 weeks of that, and that is affiliate marketing. If you're starting a channel and you don't know how to monetize, you can do affiliate marketing. You can, there's some programs that pay you quite a bit. I think my first sale I had like $48 or something, which is huge for a first sale, because I wasn't using Amazon, for example. That's just an example, but it's very known that Amazon has an affiliate marketing program. But affiliate marketing is, you really want to make the good deals, the ones that are worth it, that actually pay you money. Because if you sell something that's worth $1,000 on Amazon, you'll probably only get $10. And $10 is not that good. You'd have to make hundreds of thousands of sales if you wanted to make some real money on Amazon. But in some programs, some courses and things like that, some people will pay you 50% of that. So if you have a great course that you followed along, that they have an affiliate program, and then you can tell your audience that course, you followed it, it's really good, and if they click on the link, you get a 50% commission, and that can go quite big. If the course is worth $1,000, you can get $500 just like that, without even thinking. So you can do that, make 2 sales, and there you go, you have $1,000 in the bank. So affiliate marketing is great because you don't have to have your own product. You can sell other people's product, and you can actually make quite a bit of money. I know some people on YouTube that have made over $1 million just with that. They never sold a course, they never made an app or sold merch or whatever it may be, but they made $1 million with affiliate marketing. So if you think that affiliate marketing is a quick thing, that you're not going to make very much money, you're wrong. Like, you can make literally a ton of money with that. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you made it to the end, leave me a comment and tell me whatever. What could you tell me? I made it there. Say that. And then, with that being said, destroy that subscribe button, that notification bell, everything like that. and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.